previous years, our group has traveled abroad and worked to empower different communities across Latin America by creating sustainable change as part of Global Brigades' holistic model. In 2019, our group went to Panama and spent 3 days working alongside community health workers and doctors to provide a free health clinic for underserved communities.
With the COVID-19 pandemic, the health disparities we see across the world are only magnified, and Global Brigade's mission to create sustainable change remains as important as ever.
Throughout 2019 and early 2020, our group had prepared for a 7-day medical brigade to Panama. On the day of our scheduled departure, we were unfortunately informed that we would be unable to travel due to the pandemic.
Since then, Global Brigades has adapted their strategy for empowering communities abroad by creating new virtual initiatives for volunteers. These programs allow groups like ours to continue to work with communities remotely, maintaining that same mission of sustainable change while ensuring the safety of both our patients and our group members.
This year, our group will have 23 volunteers participate in our first medical telebrigade. This new program allows us to make use of a virtual platform to support the healthcare professionals in Honduras. In the community where we work, there will be a medical clinic which contains optometry, dermatology, and OBGYN stations, among others.
Although we will not be able to physically work alongside doctors and community health workers, our work throughout the year will support 2 medical clinics so that underserved communities will continue to have access to medical care. This past year has been all about change and adaptation. Global Brigades have adapted our approach so that we can continue to address both health and economic disparities across the world. To empower underserved communities, we must continue to create sustainable solutions using a holistic approach. Regardless of whether we're in person or remote, we are truly looking forward to another year of working with Global Brigades and promoting our mission of equity in healthcare together.